Alright, so in this equation, we want to solve for c, and we have two terms here with c. 2c and also negative 4c, right? Okay, so but what I'm going to do here first is I will simplify this. So to do that, what I will do is I will distribute negative 3 to 2c and positive 8. So we will multiply negative 3 and 2c. The answer is negative 6c, and then negative 3 times 8 is equal to negative 24. And then I will just rewrite this. Okay, so that's negative 4c plus 6 equals 12. Now you look at the left side, we have two terms here that have c, negative 6c, and negative 4c. Thinking about the answer. So we will combine the two. They are both negative, so we will add them. So that will be negative 10c, and then we will combine negative 24 and positive 6. They are constant numbers. We will subtract them because they have different signs. So that will be 18. And then 24 is higher than 6 and it's negative, so this will be negative 18. Alright, so the next objective here is to remove negative 10 and negative 18. So I'm going to remove negative 18 first. How will I do that? I'll add 18 here, and whatever you do on one side, you also do that on the other side. So when I said side, I'm referring to the left side of the equal sign and then the right side of the equal sign. So this will be 0. We want to remove that there. So this negative 10c now equals 30. And then finally, we want to remove that negative 10, right? So to do that, we will apply the division property of equality, meaning we will divide both sides by negative 10. So c equals negative 3.